Our company is transforming, one step at a time, for the land, the sea, and the city, for the world itself. We will leave this world better than we found it. Yanmar Green Challenge 2050. Yanmar will fundamentally transform its business by 2050. An environmentally friendly, greenhouse gas-free company. From our business activities, our suppliers' manufacturing processes, and our products themselves, we will eliminate emissions of greenhouse gas and harmful substances. Then, we will commit to helping our customers reduce their environmental impact to zero. Change and challenge. Let's do this together, one step at a time. A sustainable future. Yanmar Green Challenge 2050.